Oh dear. That's like an old sock. There's a massive bridge. And over there is Universal Studios. Morning. Wow, they're big. Rooms are quite decent. An Illy coffee machine. Little minibar fridge. Safe. Separate toilet. Yeah. Separate toilet. Oh, hang on. What? What the f... Separate bowl. Do you see the hairdryer gear that you get? Some hair straighteners and hair dryer. That's the nicest one I've ever seen. Shower. Oh! Get a bathtub again. It's not very big. And then what? Oh! That's weird. This is the shower. Okay. Look at the shower head. That is fancy. However, this is like a bathroom, wet area, shower, all in one. It's a little bit weird. That is a bit weird. But not as weird as the door. And then if you come out and shut the door, there's the bathroom toilet, typical bidet type logic. And then, yeah, the door. So you can go and do laps. That's weird. I've never seen that before. Super weird. An air purifier. That seems to be quite common in Japan, doesn't it? TV with no real fireplace. Couch. Well, nice painting on the wall. Might do the bed test. Little bed test. It'll be interesting with this camera. See how it goes. Well, big gimbal in the camera. You ready? Here we go. Ooh. They're kind of firmer, but it's soft. And the pillows. Oh dear. Yeah. Oh. Okay. The second pillow is a nice feather pillow. But this first one, that's like an old sock. It's terrible. But the good news is they've made up for it with some PJs and PJ pants. Overall, very good. I approve. Very nice. I think we'll be happy here. It's a good place. Compared to the last hotel was not so great. But this one should be a winner. Gelati. You sure? It's a fancy looking coffee machines, aren't they? Fresh juice. Well, the buffet breakfast here of all the hotels we've stayed at is definitely the best. Thank you. Excellent choices. Lots and lots of food. All different cultures. Got to try some new foods. I even had pizza for breakfast and sizzling steak. Where do you go for sizzling steak for breakfast? Nuggets. Ooh, some are even drinking beer for breakfast, which is kind of cool. Thank you. Takeaway coffee. Well, I approve of this place for breakfast. It was excellent. Yes. Arigato gozaimasu. All right, off to the gym. That's the outdoor seating area. Let's go have a look. And here I was going to go do a workout in the gym. Instead, we'll go outside. Thank you. Oh, this is all right. Whew. Fucking hell. It's nice. There's a big Ferris wheel. How good's this? It's pretty cool. I'd definitely say this is the better hotel of all the ones we've stayed at. By far. I mean, just because breakfast was hot is a good starting point.
They're actually doing things for people here.
Yep.
Look at the facilities.
It's nice. Very nice. Alright, now I'll go to the gym. It's a fancy gym here. Oh. And there we go. I would say, watch the step on exit. Very nice hotel. Whoa. It's like a space capsule. How good. It's not very comfortable when I'm sitting in it, that's not turned on, but yeah, 3 of them. Oh, even has the hood. Comes down. So you can look like a complete spaceman. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Liber Hotel video that I made. Did we have a great time here? Absolutely, this hotel is perfect. If you want to go to Universal Studios, I would recommend staying here. It is not a very big walk to get to Universal Studios. It's very close to 7-Eleven, which if you go to Japan, you're going to love 7-Eleven. The other thing about this hotel is you can have breakfast here, you can have lunch here, and we also had dinner here one night upstairs, and we looked at this spectacular view from the inside. We travelled to Japan when it was a bit cold to sit outside at night, but if you were coming here when it's warmer, I predict you're going to sit outside and enjoy the absolute spectacular views. Anyhow, I'll catch you on my next video. It's most likely going to be a video about Universal Studios Japan. I'll catch you next time.